So guys, there we have our tilt switch. See, once I rotate it, it says normal, and here the tilt detected. Normal, tilt detected. Normal, tilt detected, and so on. The code is very simple. We just initialize a serial port. We took a integer variable which will store the value coming from the switch. So there we are reading the digital pin 7 on which the tilt switch is connected. Then we checked if the tilt state is double equal to 0, then pin tilt detected, else it's normal. So this gives us this result. Guys, welcome to learning microcontrollers. In this video, I will show you how you can detect tilt using KY-020 tilt module using an Arduino Uno. So this is the KY-020 tilt module, very cheap, easily available in the market. This is basically a tilt sensor or tilt switch. So let's get started. So guys, this is our Arduino Uno. Let's do the wiring. This is the tilt switch KY-020. If you hold it like this, the top pin is the ground, center is the 5V, the bottom one is the signal pin. The bottom pin, you can connect it to any available digital input output pin. I'm going to use the pin number 7. For the 5V, just connect it to the 5V of the Arduino. For the ground, connect it to the ground of the Arduino. Let me show you the hardware, then we move on to the programming. Okay, let me open my webcam so you guys can see the hardware. Okay, there we have the hardware. Okay, this is the Arduino Uno, and there on the left we have the tilt switch. Okay, let me do some adjustments. Okay, there you go. The tilt switch is the same as shown in the figure, and that way is where we have the Arduino Uno. So let's do the programming. Okay, I open the Arduino IDE so we can start the programming. Okay, this is the Arduino IDE. Click on File, click on New Sketch. Let me zoom in so you guys can see better. I open the magnifier. Here you go. I will be using the serial terminal to show you the output. So before you do anything else, first of all, save your work. Click on File and Save. Write any name like tilt detection, and then wait for the new window to open up. Okay, I first of all initialize a serial port because I'm going to display the output on the serial monitor. Serial dot begin. Let's write the baud rate, that is 9600. So this command will initialize a serial port with a baud rate of 9600. Then we need to read the data. Now since we are using pin number 7, so we will initialize the pin number 7 as input. Pin mode 7 input like this. Okay, now what we do is that we need to read this pin, that whatever is on this pin we should be able to read it. So I take an integer, some integer which will read the value. I call integer something like tilt state. Okay, this is the variable which will store the value tilt state. I say tilt state equals to digital read which pin number 7. Okay, that's all. So this pin will read the status of the pin number 7. Now I use the if else. If tilt state is double equal to 0. Now I don't know either this sensor sends a 0 when a tilt is detected or it sends a 1, but we will first check with a 0. So if tilt state double equal to 0, what it should do? It will write serial on the serial terminal, serial dot print ln. What it should write? Something like tilt detected. Okay, that will be fine. Else, if tilt state is 1, then it will be opposite. It will display normal, like we are in the normal state, no tilt detected. Normal. Okay, that's fine. Oh, this is a simple code. I first verify, check for errors. No error. Then I check if my Arduino is connected. Okay, it is connected. I click on upload. So the code is being uploaded. That's perfect. Now I open the hardware to see what is happening. Okay, in the parallel we also open the serial monitor. I close this tab. I just open the serial monitor. Let me zoom in. You just go to the tools, click on serial monitor. Here you go. Serial monitor will open up. Oh, it's saying tilt detected. Okay, we just have to move the sensor. So it's normal in this state. Okay, let me show you the both things, the hardware and also this window. So it's something like this. Okay, this is seems fine. Okay, I think you can see both here. Okay, tilt detected. If it's in this state, let me focus on the left and also reopen the Arduino. Okay, see, in this state the tilt is detected. If I move it in that state, it's normal. Here in the center, tilt here in the this side, it's normal. Tilt is this side, normal is this side. Okay, this is working perfectly fine. Okay, that's how it's supposed to work. Okay, so if you want inverted, like you want the tilt to be there, just change this value. Instead of 0, make it 1. It will be inverted. So that's how you can play with this switch, because it's a switch, not a sensor. See, normal, it will remain normal, and here the tilt is detected. Normal, again the tilt is detected. Normal, tilt detected. So guys, this is it. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys have any question, please do ask. We'll see you in the next lecture. Goodbye until then.